Just put that BBC on there. Put that Hornady. Hornady. Oh, my bag. It is like directory. Alright, it's been a lot of months, but I'm finally about to pick up this silencer. Circles high. That's something I did.
Yeah.
Alright, finally got the salvage. Took about 3 months, 4 months. They said it's gonna take 3 weeks. It did not take 3 weeks. It took way too long. But we putting this on the AR-15 with 350 Ledgen, so we're gonna see what this sound like. We got 1 more week of deer season in, so I want me a suppress shot. So we're gonna try to see what we can come up with. Yeah. Should be ready to go. I already threaded for my pitch, so it looks like it's already ready for my AR. All right. And then 350, 35 bullet size. This should work. So 300 Blackout, 350, 223, 756. All those should be able to go through this. So this should go to multiple guns. Because you do not want to do this for 4 or 3 months or almost a year again. It'll be easier to buy another gun than buy another one of these. All right, but we'll come back with you and let's just see what it sounds like. All right, like I said, I got the salvage for the 35 cal. Put on the AR. I haven't seen nobody else with this on the AR yet, and we are unloaded. Salvage. AC350. Supposed to come already ready. Like I said, no adding different tips on it to thread on. It's supposed to be the tip I need, ready to go. Alright, so now I need something to thread to get this off, and I knew that wasn't gonna be that easy. All right, so I'll be right back. Direct thread. And that's what we're looking like. Just put that BBC on there. Alright, we good. Alright. So we're getting ready to compare. Bro, I really don't want to see what it sounds like without the silencer. I know it's gonna be loud. But what we gonna do, we're gonna throw the silencer on, the Savage 350. We're gonna throw that on. And after we throw it on, yeah, we empty. After we throw it on, then we just gonna see how the sound is gonna dampen on the ammo I have now, and see how it's gonna sound, and then we're gonna see how the suppress Subsonic sound gonna sound. See if it's gonna be a little quieter, or a lot quieter. Snug that. So what I have are Winchester 350 Ledgen 160 grains. So that's what we're gonna fire first. Ear protection. Sorry folks, I forgot to turn the damn mic on. But yeah, like they said, the suppressor, it brought the noise down, but away, nah, it ain't take it away. Yeah. You can take them out, and we can put the other one in, put the other ammo in. You looking for the shell?
I'm looking for this.
Okay.
You want to put these Subsonics in there?
Yup, Subsonic. We throw 2 of them in there. Well, you can do 4. No, 2. Them suckers high. I was about to say, I need to get rid of them other ones first. Alright, we about to take this first Subsonic shot. You can get it. Make sure I got my audio and everything going.
You shoot the first one?
Yeah, what you shooting at?
I'm guessing we'll shoot that can.
Alright, you go for the can then. Alright, first Subsonic, 220 grain.
Miss.
Dang. So that was quiet. Right here, that was quiet. The echo was louder than the shot.
Yeah.
The echo was louder than the shot. Alright, let me see. That's nice. What you shooting at? The can?
I was trying to shoot at the can, but I missed.
The can on
I guess
top
I pulled it. Yeah.
Yeah, it would be easier on something, resting on something.
Yeah.
To the shoulder.
You could, you might could get in the back of the truck and prop it up on the truck.
How many you put
It's
in
on
here?
safety.
Huh?
It's on safety. Yep.
So you heard it, like right
Yeah.
here was quiet, but
Yeah.
the echo was louder.
Yeah.
Hey, so the Salvage 350, AC350, I like it. It worked. We using what that Hornady? Hornady. Subsonic ammunition 20. Hey, these things wasn't that cheap, but yeah, that's what I'm using. Trying to make sure they're 220. Nah, they 250 grain. 250 grain Hornady Subsonic. So yeah, it got quiet. The echo was louder than the shot. So I don't know. If that's the case, then if you shoot at something and you miss, if you hear the sound of the echo, it's still gonna be like down. So you still probably only get one try.
We also aren't shooting at long range. Now if you shot at one of those, that's when you'd really
Tell what?
how different the echo is.
If I shot at what? I thought the echo came from way back there.
So the more long distance of a shot, the more quieter it's going to be down there. You see what I'm saying? So the longer of a shot, the less echo they're going to hear further away.
Okay.
So if you try shooting at one of those concrete beams, you know what I'm saying, it's going to be different. Yeah. So the further you shoot out, the less
They'll hear that way.
Yeah.
Well, it seems like I'm hearing the echo from that way. Let me see what that shot looks like. I'm about to go take a look at this cam. I'm gonna zoom down there for y'all. About almost 3 or 4 months to get that thing going. Now I got some
Yeah, just about.
That's about 200 yards. I ain't got the lens to even zoom in that far. That's how I knew how far it was. We might be able to see a little dot.
Yeah, you should be able to see the smoke pop up.
That bit at the top. It take forever to fall down.
It shouldn't fall down. Being 300 blackout or 350 Ledgen. Shoot. Okay. So there you go. Now you got one in there.
I heard it that time. Alright, at the top. I saw it. Yeah. And it stayed at the top too. It ain't really.
It shouldn't drop.
That bit ain't dropped much.
It shouldn't drop from that far. Now if you was to shoot that dark one, it may have some drop to it. See that dark one out there?
Yeah.
Now then it may have some.
That's way out there.
That's about 350.
Alright.
250.
That still wasn't too loud.
No.
I mean, I still heard more echo, I think.
Yeah. But you're also shooting across that river too, so it's gonna.
Alright, well, this concludes it.